Let's start weekly MCQ series for 27th September to 3rd October. First question is Medical Council of India, officially renamed as National Medical Commission, recently who is the first chairman? Who is the first chairman of NMC? Mahesh Verma, Rajendra Pandey, Suresh Chandra Sharma, Rakesh Kumar Vats or Vinod Kumar Paul? Its answer is Suresh Chandra Sharma. Next question, which agency along with Niti Aayog launched a special report on sustainable recovery post COVID-19? ILO, Interpol, BIS, International Energy Agency or none of the above? Its answer is International Energy Agency. Next question is which organization has announced a hackathon named Kritagya Krishi Takneek Gyan under NAHAP to promote farm mechanization? AIMS, ICMR, ICAR, MCI or ICRC? Its answer is ICAR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Next question, name the bank who has entered into partnership with Bayer's Better's Life Farming BLF initiative in India? Yes Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank or RBL Bank? Its answer is Axis Bank. Next question, India's first regional rapid transit system train will provide its services to Delhi, Ghaziabad, Meerut, RRTS by which year? 2023, 21, 22, 24 or 25? Its answer is 2022. Next question, which ministry has announced setting up of plastic parks throughout the country? Which ministry has announced the setting up of plastic parks throughout the country? Health and Family Welfare Ministry, Defence Ministry, Chemical and Fertilizer Ministry, Skill and Development Entrepreneurship Ministry, Power Ministry? Its answer is Chemical and Fertilizers Ministry. Next question, find the company which has got RBI's in principle approval to set up Bharat Bill Payment Operation Unit BBPOU, BTI Payments, Pakrangi Limited, Hitachi Limited, Communication Solutions Limited, IndiCash Limited? Its answer is Vakrangi Limited. Next question, which company has launched campaign named Contactless Connections? Options are ICICI card, PNB card, SBI card, IOB card or HDFC card? Its answer is SBI card. Next question, how much worth loan was approved by Asian Development Bank ADB for urban projects in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh? Options are 870 million US dollar, 700 million US dollar, 570 million US dollar, 750 million US dollar, 650 million US dollar. Its answer is 570 million US dollar. Next question, which country has signed MOU with India to increase cooperation in IPR intellectual property rights? Denmark, Poland, Germany, France or Finland? Its answer is Denmark. Next question, which company has collaborated with Matrix Partners India to scale small businesses in India? WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Google or Microsoft? Its answer is Facebook. Next question is 12th question is International Air Transport Association IATA in the MOU with UNOCT as first private partner to cooperate on India funded city travel program. Where is the headquarter of IATA? New York US, Montreal Canada, Vienna Austria, Geneva Switzerland or New Delhi India? Its answer is Montreal Canada. Next question, who has virtually presented the National Service Scheme NSS Awards for the year 2018-19? Ramnath Kovind, Amit Shah, Narendra Modi, Nitin Gadkari or Rajnath Singh? Its answer is Ramnath Kovind. Next question is which state has signed MOU with UK India Business Council to strengthen states industrial development September 2020? Options are Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Gujarat, Assam, Maharashtra. Its answer is West Bengal. Next question is which country hosted the virtual ministerial roundtable dialogue on biodiversity beyond 2020? Prakash Javadekar represented India. Austria, US, China, Indonesia or Japan? Its answer is China. Next question is who among the following has won the AIFF Women's Footballer of the Year for the year 2019-20? Gurpreet Singh Sandhu won Men's Player of the Year. Options are Sangeeta Basfar, Aditi Chauhan, Harmanpreet Kaur, Sweetie Devi or Sanju Yadav? Its answer is Sanju Yadav. Next question, Israel Defense Force successfully tested C-to-C missile system recently. Capital of Israel is? Options are Cairo, Beirut, Damascus, Jerusalem, Amman. Its answer is Jerusalem. Next question is India partnered with which country to co-develop high-tech weapon system? Israel, Turkey, Denmark, Albania or Greece? Its answer is Israel. Next question is United Nations International Day for Total Elimination of Nuclear Weapons is celebrated on 26th September since which year? कब से ये celebrate किया जाए? 2007, 2010, 2000, 2017 और 2014? Its answer is 2014. Next question. World Contraception Day observed annually on 26 September, 25 September, 24 September, 27 September, 28 September. Its answer is 26th September. Next question. Government of Assam developed a mobile app named Visitasam for air passengers from other states. Who is the present Chief Minister of Assam? के present Chief Minister कौन है? Nefirio, Joramthanga, Sarbanand Sonowal, Konrad Sangma और and Biren Singh. Its answer is Sarbanand Sonowal. Next question is World Environment Day annually celebrated on Environment Health Day annually celebrated on 26 September. इस बार का थीम क्या रहा है? एड्रेसिंग एनवायरमेंट हेल्थ इनइक्वालिटीज़, एनवायरमेंट हेल्थ की पब्लिक हेल्थ इंटरवेंशन इन डिजीज़ पैंडमिक प्रिवेंशन. नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन इंडोर एंड आउटडोर एयर क्वालिटी, global and food safety and sustainability, tobacco control and sustainable development. Its answer is environmental health, a key public health intervention in disease pandemic. Next question. Jammu and Kashmir has how many official languages as on September 2020? 2, 7, 5, 4 or 6? Its answer is 5 official languages. Next question. Maritime Union of India has collaborated with which organization to assist seafarers who are stranded on ships due to COVID-19 pandemic? Options are ASEAN nations, United Nations, Amnesty International, SARC or none of the above. Its answer is United Nations. Next question. How much was extended as financial assistance by India to Sri Lanka for promotion of Buddhist ties between the two countries? $5 million, $10 million, $20 million, $25 million or $15 million? Its answer is $15 million. Thanks for watching this session. If you really like this session, hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.